Hi guys, this is Mark. Join me. Let's go. Hey, I have an event here, BGC. Alright, so let me show you what's in front of me. Thank you. Hi guys, this is Mark of Tech Pinas, and this is a sample walking vlog taken using the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 with the DJI Mic 3 wireless microphone. Alright, so join me and let's walk around. Okay, so this is with the camera facing me, of course, for my talking head video, and this is with the camera facing what's in front of me. Okay. All right. So I'm here at BGC in Taguig City. This is how it looks. And let me show you where I came from. This is the greenery in this area. So what can you say about the quality of the video? So what can you say about the stability? Of course, we already know that the DJI Osmo Pocket series is industry leading in terms of that. Let me point the camera up. So you might want to also take a look at the quality of, the colors. Now let me try out the zoom. This is 2x lossless zoom, and this is 4x digital zoom. This is with no zoom. Alright, so there you have it guys. That's a sample 4K 30 frames per second walking vlog recorded using the all-new DJI Osmo Pocket 4 with the DJI Mic 3. Okay, so as someone who owns the DJI Pocket OG, the Pocket 2, and the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and who has used all these devices for work, I'd say that the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 builds upon all the strengths of its predecessors and offers new features that will greatly improve the user experience and enhance the quality of your videos. Thumbs up. I highly recommend this to vloggers, content creators, even professional videographers who want to capture amazing clips. Okay? Thumbs up. Two times lossless zoom, 4x digital zoom. Okay, so I think I should buy pasalubong for my family here. Krispy Kreme. Okay, let's go. For me and my little nephews, Marvin, Camille, and Dad. Okay, that's it. May pasalubong for my family.